So we're going to start off the game with a question from our second edition, the Happy Hour edition. This was created to help people explore the things that naturally bring about happy, joyful memories.
Absolutely.
All right, so the question we're going to explore is, what are 3 crucial routines that you keep?
My night routine is very, very important because just as how we get excited, I celebrate Christmas, just as how we get excited for Christmas Eve.
Yeah.
Eve is the night before, and we're excited for expectation of expecting a gift. Life is a privilege, it's a gift every day. To me, every day we wake up is a special occasion.
Yeah.
My morning routine, which is very important, which allow me to set the tones for the day. So my morning routine consists of exercise, meditation, journaling, reading books that really resonates with me and on my journey. So I am equipped for the things that is coming my way during the day. Another thing is positive self-talk.
Yeah.
Always convince myself that, all things are possible. Always connect with my inner self,
Right.
Go within or go without.
Yeah.
So that positive self-talk, always encouraging me, to really go to the end of everything before I do it, giving gratitude in advance, and just being mindful. And that's one of the things that the resort here is really cater on mindfulness.
Yeah.
Be mindful of your thoughts, feeling, emotion, mood.